In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new list on Getresponse email. We'll walk through this using the fastest and simplest path, so by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to type to get your new list up and running. First, make sure you're logged in to your Getresponse account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look towards the top of the screen for the main navigation bar. You'll see several options, and the one you want to focus on is labeled Contacts. Go ahead and click on Contacts. This is where Getresponse organizes all of your subscribers and any lists you create, so you'll be coming back here a lot as you manage your email marketing. Once you're inside the Contacts section, you should see an option to create a new list. Look for a button that says Create List. It might be near the top of the page or off to one side, depending on your current layout, but it will be clearly labeled. Click that Create List button to start setting up your new contact list. Now you'll be prompted to name your list. This part is more important than it might seem at first, because a clear naming convention can save you a lot of confusion later. Getresponse recommends that you use lowercase letters and underscores instead of spaces. For example, you might type something like New Leads 2026 or Newsletter Subscribers. Using this style makes your lists easier to read, keeps everything consistent, and helps avoid issues with special characters or spacing. Take a moment to choose a name that reflects the purpose of the list. Think about how you'll recognize it a few months from now when you've created several more. Are these new leads, existing customers, webinar signups, or something else? Build that into the name so you can instantly tell who's on that list just by looking at it. Once you've typed in your list name and you're happy with it, all that's left to do is confirm. Look for the button labeled Create and click it. Getresponse will process your request and, within a moment, your new list will be created and ready to use. From here, you can start adding contacts, setting up forms, or building email campaigns targeted specifically at this list. But that's all there is to creating the list itself. Open Contacts, click Create List, choose a clear lowercase name with underscores, and confirm by clicking Create.